In this video, I will show you how to add text animations to messages on iPhone with iOS 18. This way you can send cool looking text messages with animated text to your friends. Note that your iPhone must be updated to latest iOS 18 to add text animations to messages. First, open Messages app on your iPhone. Now create a new message and select the contact to whom you wish to send a message. Next, type your message. To apply formatting to the entire message, tap the formatting button in the suggestion bar and all your text is highlighted. You can add effects to certain part of the message as well by selecting the required text. When you tap the formatting button, a panel will appear with options like bold, italic, underline or strike through. You can apply the styles as per your needs. You can even tap one of the animation styles like big, small, shake, nod, explode, ripple, bloom or jitter to apply to the text. Once done, tap send to send a message. Note that if the recipient is not using iOS 18 on their iPhone, then the message will be shown up as the plain text. So that is how you can add text animations to the messages on iPhone with iOS 18. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.